Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a product review video, and the product I'm going to be reviewing is the NAKEUP Face C-Cup Tox-tick lipstick. Full disclosure here, this was actually sent to me complimentary from JOLSE.com. It's a Korean beauty website that sells numerous brands as well as thousands of products. And what I like about them is that shipping is completely free. You don't have to pay anything extra for shipping. The prices are a little bit higher than other websites. However, their selection and free shipping actually evens out the price tag a bit. They do also do these little contests, I think once every 2 weeks, where they put up products for a review for you to apply to receive them for review. And you just send them if you have an Instagram account or you have a YouTube channel or any type of SNS is what they call it, social media wise. You send them that link as well as your name and address and stuff, and they select a certain number of applications, and then they send them out the product, and you have to have a review finished by a certain date. So I applied for this and I got it. So they sent it to me a couple weeks after the contest closed, and I have to review it. So I got to choose one color, and I chose the color number 5, and it is in Stalker. So yeah, so first of all, can I say the packaging on this is beautiful. It is a rose gold packaging with a bunch of reflective glitters like embedded in it. It's got a texture to it, so it's not a smooth glitter, but it looks really, really beautiful. It's probably the most beautiful lipstick I think I've ever received in my life. They have 5 different color options you can choose, and right now, the regular price of these lipsticks is $15 USD, but they are usually on sale for at least 15% off, so they're usually around $12 USD. So yeah, so this is what it is. I picked out the color Stalker, which is this neutral, like brownie red color with a little bit of warm orange in it. I have found with this lipstick, it goes on super, super smooth. It doesn't stay on that long because it is so creamy. I mean, it's not made to be a long wearing lipstick. However, it has plumping properties to it. So when you put it on, it actually has a minty tingle to it. So when you put it on your mouth, it starts to tingle, and you can taste the mint on your lips as well. So it's got that cool plumping option to it. For dupe, I've found that this is actually a pretty close dupe. This color specifically in Stalker is a pretty close dupe to actually Kat Von D's Lolita 2. So this color here is very similar. I only have the Lolita 2 in the liquid lipstick, but I will show it in an insert, a side-by-side comparison of the NAKEUP Face one as well as the Lolita 2 for color comparison, not for texture or mattifying or anything like that, because it's a lipstick versus a liquid lipstick. So I would absolutely say, if you're looking for a good dupe for that Lolita lipstick, that this is a great option for a fraction of the cost, which is awesome. And I found like bringing attention to newer brands like NAKEUP Face with Korean roots to them, bringing attention to those can really open up a whole world for people to have and look at different options for their makeup. So with this one, the bullet is, you know, that's how much product you get. It's your standard bullet. It's really, really smooth. You get, it's all in Korean, so it probably doesn't say how much you get in it. No, it doesn't say how much you get, but it's kind of the standard, you know, size of a lipstick, but the packaging alone is what kind of sold me on it, and I loved it. It's a beautiful lipstick. It wears really nicely. The plumping doesn't really show up, but I like having that cool feeling on my lips, which is really, really nice. But yeah, so in conclusion, I would purchase more of these. The colors are all very nude and very neutral, so if you're into nude lipsticks, this could be a product for you. If you're more into bright colors, then this probably isn't the product for you. However, for the price tag as well as the packaging and the quality of the product you're receiving, I would absolutely recommend this. All right, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up down below. And if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I post new content, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.